Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. So today let's do our pre-market analysis, and as you can see, we're looking at GBP USD, which is a pair I've never covered on this channel because I don't trade it usually. But today I look at my pairs, and they all looked pretty bad, especially Euro USD and XAU. They were pretty bad, and so I'm trading today only GBP USD and USD GPI. So I'm trading GBP USD with a bearish bias. I'm going to explain to you why. Well, you see those blue lines. They are previous week's high and previous week's low. As you can see, we swept the previous week's low, then got to the high, and now we're going down. I think we can reach the previous week's low again, and that's why I'm trying to short. I think that today we can touch this. I really think we can. So I'm going to look for shorts, and I'm either going to short at this 1 hour for value gap or at these 15-minute order blocks if the market gets there and gives us a pretty valid setup. So they're in a lighter blue because they're like a bit more, let's say, a bit more unsure than the 1 hour. 1 hour it gives always gives me more confidence. So now USD GPI instead, we are bullish of course because they're two opposite pairs. As you can see, this is not as confident as GBP USD because we had manipulated the previous week's high, as you can see, and started to go lower, but now are reversing higher without having swept the previous week's low. But I think that still can have strength, and maybe I'm not saying reach all the way to the previous week's high, but at least get this candlestick out of the way. I think that can happen, yeah. And so I'm going to look for buys at this 1 hour for value gap. I think I'm just going to use this. It depends if the market keeps on going pretty much higher and higher and higher. Maybe then I can use some kind of 15-minute level, such as this order block that you can see right here. This doesn't look bad actually. I might use it. I might use this, but nothing lower because then if it goes lower, it means my bias was pretty much wrong. We want to bet those levels, not any lower. Also, yesterday I closed a profit trade on USD GPI, but my strategy, I think I'll change this thing of the strategy being like this because I shorted. Where was it that I shorted? Um, oh yeah, right here. Kind of shorted right there. My stop loss was up here. So the market got down, that retraced a bit. It got my stop loss out at a profit of 0.7%, and then got all the way to the 2% AP. So I think that really my strategy of moving the stop loss based on the PDAs is not too valid. So I might actually take a look at that, get some data, and then maybe just get that rule out of the way because I think I can get more profits without it. It's clear that the market gives me take profits without me needing to move our stop loss. In fact, out of the 11 trades I journaled so far, 10 were stop losses, bro. I only have one TP in all my trades. Of course, it's still profitable because even the stop losses are in profit most of the time. But it's not the same thing, bro. If those stop losses were TPs, then I would be up at least 20%. I'm only up how much? Let's see. I am up 6.8%. So we'll see if we can change this rule. Man, if we actually figure out that without this rule, this really works better, we can make a shit ton of money, bro. Also, by the end of the summer, I'll figure out whether I'm profitable or not on this demo trading account. Then I might get into no, I will definitely get into live trading. And if I'm actually pretty damn good, I might get into prop firm because prop firm is the way to make money without having money. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. I wish you good luck and a good last trading day of the week.